I think it was a really great way to learn the principles of DDMRP. Hi, my name is Craig Joly. I'm the Production Operations Manager at 9Wood's, and we just finished a DD Bricks workshop here on site in Springfield, Oregon. We had all of our production supervisors go through it. We had several of our key production leads, many of our key managers, all of our supply chain team went through the entire workshop all day long. I think it was a really great way to learn the principles of DDMRP, and it was very enjoyable for the team. They felt like they really understand the concepts. We apply a lot of those concepts already here at 9Wood's, and they were able to talk about what we learned in the class and the workshop and how we might apply that to our real jobs. I think seeing the hands-on piece with the Lego bricks was really an important way to internalize the concepts, having the people do the calculations themselves, net flow calculation, on hand minus qualified demand plus open orders to calculate the net flow equation. Doing that over and over again was a really good way for them to understand the principles and really internalize it for themselves, so they can see a bigger picture of how material flows through the organization beyond just their individual work center that they're used to focusing on. Yeah, it was a really good reminder of the importance of buffers and of making decisions based on buffer priority, looking at the global picture, and then making local decisions based on global buffer status.
Stop managing chaos!